3D प्रिंटिंग आणि प्रोटोटायपिंग तंत्रज्ञानाचो लाव आता गोंयकारांक मेळटलो। ही सुविधा वेर्णेच्या फादर आग्नेल तांत्रिक शिक्षण संस्थेन मेळटली। आग्नेल टेक्निकल एज्युकेशनाचो अध्यक्ष आलेरियो कार्वालोन पत्रकार परिषदेत ती माहिती दिली। द इन्फिनिटी 3D द सेंटर फॉर इक्युबेशन अँड बिझनेस एक्सलरेशनाचे जोड पालवान मंगळारा वेर्णा 3D प्रिंटिंग अँड रॅपिड प्रोटोटायपिंग सेंटर सुरू केला।
Now this technology allows you to create anything. Anything means anything. You want to create this man, I can create it on my computer, on my printer. Exactly your face, exactly your feature. Now this technology works through a system where a material comes in the forms of thread and it is wound up around this to the very fine weaving type of a thing that you create a three-dimensional object.
The main purpose of setting up this 3D prototyping facility is to support creative startups, where they can make prototypes at a very fast pace. So with this lab, we have a set of 16 3D printers of different sizes, different segments, different qualities, where anybody who wants to do a 3D printing or 3D prototyping of his part, he can come and very well do it.
प्रशिक्षक रायन वाज सांगता, हो प्रिंटर विकपाचो वा फकत नवे तंत्र खपोवपाचो यत्न न्हय, जाल्यार नव्या काळाक हें आव्हान।
There are two ways that you manufacture. One is subtractive, where you take a block and you pull out a material, and the other is where you add material to create an object. 3D printing is an additive manufacturing technology. What happens over here is that any part which is made layer by layer. One layer upon layer is created to create an object. This being the nature of the technology, it does not care how complex the part is. 3D printing can just create it. And this is the kind of culture we are trying to ingrain into students, that you keep questioning everything that's supposedly the norm. Why can't things be different? And the beginning of a question is actually the beginning of an answer. 3D printing is one of those technologies which can give you access to bringing your ideas to life.
मडगांवच्यान आमचो खबराकार संदीप तुयेंकार।